Good morning, friends. Today I am going to tell you how you can help your child to count the objects. We are going to show you the activity of counting objects. We have stones and spoons. You will give one stone to the child and tell this is one stone. One stone. One stone. One more in one are two. One more in two are three. There were two stones, then one more came, now three. One more in three are four. हमारे पास 3 स्टोन थे, एक और आ गया तो हो गए 4. One more in 4 are 5. One more in 1 are 2. One more in 2 are 3. One more in 3 are 4. One more in 4 are 5. One more stone in the 5 stones are 6. One more in 6 are 7. One more in 7 are 8. Like this you can do with the flowers, you can do with the leaves, you can do with the buttons, blocks, beads, anything. Then you will give one spoon to your child. One spoon. One spoon. One more in one are 2. हमारे पास 2 थे, एक और आ गया, 2 में एक और आ गया तो हो गए 3. One more in 2 are 3. One more in 3 are 4. One more in 4 are 5. Now count again. You have to pick up and place it on the another place. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. ये बहुत ज़रूरी है, जो ऑब्जेक्ट को है वो अपने जगह से उठाकर आगे रखना. अदरवाइज़ बच्चों की क्या हैबिट होती है, वो ऐसे काउंट करेंगे 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. They will count like this. Then you have to help them to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, like this. Thank you. Have a good day.